Hello students, today we are going to learn about the formulas and functions in Spreadsheet. Let us now learn how to use compound formulas. Compound formulas are used when more than one operator is required to perform calculation. Let us use it to calculate the simple interest by using the formula equal to P into R into T by 100. Enter the data as shown in the figure. Now follow the given steps. Click on the cell B6 and type equal to. Click on the cell B2. The cell address of B2 appears in the cell B6. Type the symbol asterisk and click on the cell B3. Again, type the symbol asterisk in B6 and click on the cell B4. Now type the symbol slash followed by 100 in the cell B6 and press the enter key. The cell B6 displays the calculated simple interest. Note that the result appears in the cell, but the actual formula is visible on the formula bar. Okay students, to quickly enter or modify a formula in a cell, you can also press F2 after selecting the cell. Any change that you make in data will be reflected in the formula result. Now let us find out how to use formula on text. We can also perform addition on character and string data type. Except for addition, other operations like subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. are not allowed on the string data type. The ampersand symbol is used to perform addition. Addition of two or more text values is called concatenation. Let us understand this with the help of an example. Enter any string type value in cell A1 and B1. Say KIPS in A1 and India in B1. Enter the formula equal to A1 and B1 in cell C1 and press the enter key. It will display KIPS India in cell C1. Students note that you can add a space between the joint values by enclosing single space with quotation marks. For example, in the above case, equal to A1 and double quotes in, double quote close, and B1 will yield the result as KIPS India.